It takes all sorts, embracing diversity in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard or seen in various contexts. It takes all sorts. This expression is a gem in everyday English, reflecting an important aspect of social interaction and human diversity. So, if you're ready to expand your understanding and use of English, let's get started. The phrase, "it takes all sorts," is a shortened version of the longer expression, "it takes all sorts to make a world." This expression emphasizes the idea that the world is full of diverse people with different characteristics, preferences, and behaviors. It's a celebration of human diversity, suggesting that this variety is necessary for the world to function and be interesting. You might wonder, when can I use this phrase? "It takes all sorts" is typically used in conversations to express tolerance or acknowledgement of differences among people. Here are a few scenarios where it might come in handy. When someone is behaving in a way that seems unusual or strange to you. In discussions about people's varied hobbies, tastes, or lifestyles. As a response to a story or situation highlighting human eccentricity or diversity. It's a way to shrug off the oddities and accept that people are just different, without making a big deal out of it. Let's look at some examples to see how "it takes all sorts" can be used in sentences. After hearing about someone's unique collection of vintage teapots, you might say, "Well, it takes all sorts to make a world." When discussing someone's unconventional career choice, you could comment, "It takes all sorts, doesn't it?" In response to a friend's surprise about a neighbor's unusual pet, you might reply, "It takes all sorts." These examples show how the phrase can be used to acknowledge and accept diversity in a light-hearted manner. And that's a wrap on "It takes all sorts." This phrase is a wonderful reminder of the richness that diversity brings to our lives and conversations. By using it, you're not only enhancing your English but also expressing an open and accepting attitude towards the differences that make each person unique. We hope you found this video helpful and that you're inspired to embrace the diversity around you with open arms. Remember, it's these differences that make our world so fascinating. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.